and thank you so much for joining my channel. This is Rocky, and today is Fable Friday. Typically on Fridays, I take some time to close the loop on some things that I've started before, or tell you about the drama that's going on in my life, or tell you my real honest opinion on things that I've tried or things that I'm about to try. So normally I have a bunch of updates for you, but today there's really no video to be said. You know, there's no video to show. I don't really have any updates. I feel like the last vlog that I showed had a lot going on in it. So go ahead and check the last one out from this past Wednesday because there's so much there. However, I don't think I have any updates besides the fact that my plant, the very last flowering plant that I bought, talked about in my last vlog, is still doing well. I wasn't sure how well it would do in repotting it, but worked out. And then all the rest of my other plants are doing well. They're all, quote, hard to kill plants. They're, succulents, or what other kind of plants. I don't even know the name of the other kind of plants are, but they're just hard to kill. So I'm doing well. Even this flower plant that I bought is a succulent type of plant. So I think I might, and my Aerogarden is doing well. I've been harvesting the herbs and cooking with the herbs from my Aerogarden. So I feel like it's safe to say that I can shed the self-proclaimed or self-given name of, or whatever, stigma of not having a green thumb, because I have been able to keep these 5 plants alive, and I have an Aerogarden that I'm able to harvest. So I think. You tell me. Otherwise, I don't have any updates. I haven't been shopping. I don't have anything to show you that's new. I'm actually hoping and praying that I have a video for you this Sunday. I don't know. I have some styling videos that I want to do, but I've been so lazy. It's a lot of work to take on and off clothes and all the things that go with making these videos, but so I was thinking about doing that, a styling video, recreating some looks that I like, and then also talking about the scarf trend. There's a scarf trend where you can use scarves in so many cool different ways, and I wanted to walk you down that path of how you could be creative with scarves. So it's going to be one of those two. Definitely both of those in the near future, on Sunday and Wednesday. So come back, tune in. I really apologize. There's really not much to talk about today, but thank you so much for watching. Let me know what's going on in your life in the comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button, share it with your friends. Bye.